It is a very proud moment for all Hotpackians because it is our 47th showroom that has been opened to the public and the 4th retail showroom to Oman. We are located in one of the busiest two souks in Barka, Oman, and we are striving hard to launch a retail push in the Oman market as well as manufacturing push. In the last 2 years, we have been planning hard to inaugurate a factory here, inshallah, and with the help, with the support and love from all the Oman customers, we hope to grow here a lot. Thanks.